Hello guys, today we're going to be going to a water park. The water park that we're going to be going to is a splash and party water park. I'm very excited about it because I also heard that there's a zip line there and I never tried a zip line before. I only saw my brother, mother and father tried it. Also my brother is going to be coming with me. Hi guys! What are you so excited about the splash and party water park, Kalyan?
Masha Bear is coming. Take 3 slides and zip line and food party.
Yes, there are so many stuff that we can do. We'll meet you guys in the water park. We are finally in the water park. This is the kids area that we're in. Here it's actually just for kids, but I just wanted to try it out because in most of the video there are like people going here, so I just always wanted to try this out. Me and my brother had very much of fun in the small kids area. My brother is acting like a baby. You know, it was so much fun. When I went to the walkway, I was like feeling ticklish, like someone is tickling me. I don't know what this thing is, but it was really fun. Okay guys, now we're gonna come here to the full water park. There were so many water slides. Let's try some out. So I'm running to the water slides there. It is so much fun. The water is not that deep, but the slides are just as much fun. So I think I'm gonna try the yellow slide first. So let's see how much fun it is. Okay guys, now I'm heading towards the yellow slide. It was so much fun, but it was the most smallest slide there. So now we need to try the blue slide out. You can see my brother and there comes me. It was the second most biggest slide, but we need to try the most biggest slide. When we were heading to the water slide, we came across this foam party, so of course we wanted to try this out. I'm playing with the foam. It was so much fun. Here there were so many kids. I wanted to just leave and do a snow angel in the foam party. Now I was having so much fun here. I was doing so many snow angels. Before I was just going in my home and playing with soap, but this time I could finally play in a real foam party. So many of this came in my eye. Look at me here. I just look like a old little grandma. So here I just had the most fun thing. I always wanted to come here. You see after the foam party was finished, we came to the kids area again so we can clean up. It was like the perfect area that we can clean. All of a sudden thing from Masha Bear, the bear, it came. I was so excited. I was just following him. I was having so much fun. Okay, now we're going to the most biggest water slide. It's not that big, but it is so much fun. I barely went there so many times. We come across so many of these water kind of things. So now I went to the slide. Oh my god, it went so fast. I was having so much fun. Here I went to the water slide. Wow, it was so much fun. I was really sinking in the last moment. We got my brother here. He was so happy. Now we're going to the zip line. I was so nervous. I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. But I need to come over my fear one day. So I was going to the zip line. So now the guy is putting helmet on. I'm climbing up the stairs of the zip line. I was just so scared. You can understand by the nervousness in my face. My heart was beating so fast when I come to this area. I needed to climb that. I was just so scared to go only. I was like, should I go back or something? But we already came here. So now I was getting ready. So this guy opened the door. Okay, now it's the truth. Let's see if I will go or not. Oh my god, it was so much fun. I wanted to try it out one more time, so I did it again. It was just the most fun thing I ever had. You know, when they stopped me there, I was so scared. I was like, no, this didn't happen. So now we came to this kind of big pool. It's for child and adult. This area was perfect for us. It was so big and it was just meant for children. So I was so excited. I was just swimming here. I was just having so much fun. I never had so much fun ever in my life. I was jumping around trying to see how high I can jump. I was holding my breath. Here you got me. I'm swimming more and more because I was finally able to swim. And then we saw a mermaid. We were so happy. She was singing for us. We were just listening. You know, that's me there. I was like, I want to touch her tail. Now every kind of thing was dancing. Spider-Man was looking so funny. I was just laughing. I could not stop laughing. Just see what they're doing. See Spider-Man. That's the most funniest thing I could ever have seen. They're dancing here and there. We're dancing with them. And then it was finally time to go. We just spent our last time in this full water park. We were having so much fun. I did not want to go. We almost spent like 5 hours there. I was like going to the red side so many times. Now bye guys.